NotebookLM can turn all your uploaded sources into a visual mind map, showing the main topics and how they connect with one click. Here's how to generate it and get the most out of it. With your sources loaded, look for the mind map chip in the Studio panel area at the right side. NotebookLM reads all your sources and generates a branching diagram automatically. In seconds, a mind map appears in the Studio panel on the right, the main themes from your sources as nodes, with related subtopics branching off each one. Use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. The full map can be large, so zoom in on areas you want to read. Click and drag the background to pan across the diagram. Every branch and subtopic from your sources is laid out visually. Zoom in on a section and the labels become clear. Each node can be expanded or collapsed. Click a parent node to collapse its children. The map gets cleaner and you see just the main themes. Click again to expand. This is how you move between the big picture view and the detail view without losing either. This is the most powerful feature of the mind map. Click any node directly and then NotebookLM automatically generate an answer about the topic you click. NotebookLM searches your sources for everything related to that node and gives you a cited answer. You're not searching blindly. You're pointing at a concept and drilling down into it from your own documents. In the top right corner of the mind map, you'll find 3 icons. The expand icon fills the mind map to full screen and also exits full screen mode. Great for reading all the branches clearly. The X or exit icon closes the mind map and takes you back to the notebook. Finally, the 3-dot icon opens the delete menu. To share with a colleague, you can either share the whole notebook or share only the mind map, which they'll find in the Studio panel. Alternatively, you can download it and send the file directly. Want to regenerate a fresh mind map, maybe after adding new sources? In the Studio panel, click the 3-dot menu on the mind map note and select Delete. Then click the mind map chip and chat again to generate a new one from your updated sources. You can also add a prompt here where you can add where you want the mind map to focus. That's Mind Maps in NotebookLM. One click to turn all your sources into a visual overview. Click any node to ask questions and download to share. Desktop only, not available in the mobile app yet. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.